friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha and today we're back with another Ateez video. I almost said it's a new video, but it is and it isn't. So today we're watching fireworks. And I have reacted to the music video already on my channel. We're gonna do it again because I never reacted to the dance practice for this, and that is a tragedy. I absolutely must rectify this and watch it right this second and talk about choreography. We just gotta do it. We have to do it. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe here on my channel and my videos. I would very much appreciate it. Also, if you get just a second, please check out some of the links below, including my Etsy shop, where I have K-pop bracelets, Polaroids, and paintings available, as well as hopefully some new items coming this summer. Very excited. Keep an eye out for those. So, I couldn't just watch the dance practice video. I really have to watch the music video one more time just so I can let them wreck me all over again. So we're gonna start with the music video and then we're gonna go into the dance practice. So here we go. Boo, 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 boo. I forgot the outfits. Oh god, I forgot about the outfits. Oh my gosh. Yeah, big song. I'm gonna pay attention. Here we go, here we go. Are we ready? Woo! Oh my god! Woo! Hey! It's so good! Woo! My favorite part! Couldn't tell you why! Here we go! Here we go! Hey! Oh my gosh, I'm so used to the other version! Whoa! Hey! Woo! Oh, I love Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. We're moving on to the dance practice. I like don't even know how to take notes about this because I just want to watch the dance practice. So we'll see if I take good notes or if we just go back through the video piece by piece like we did for Thanks. Not totally sure what's gonna happen, but I have almost all of this choreography memorized. I haven't physically tried to do any of it, maybe one day. But yeah, it's in the brain noggin for sure. So here we go, the dance practice. Y'all have told me that this is like the most intense dance practice they have so far, which if you know Ateez, and boy oh boy do we so far, that's really hard to do, to be more intense than they have been in the past. So I have water on the standby if I need it. I also need to not scream so much because we just got new neighbors last week and they don't know that I do these videos and scream in my house at 2 in the afternoon. So I need to calm down a little bit. Here we go. The dance practice. Oh my god. Ooh, oh my god. Ah. Da 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 da. Woo! Da da da. Oh no. Big song, I'm giving you my invitation. I don't make any attention. Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Na na na. Oh, I didn't even notice they jumped. Go off, Kings. Oh. Da 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 da. That's so sick. Ew. Oh my god. I haven't taken any notes. There's so many styles in this, and like style choices specifically. Ooh, 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 ooh! That's my favorite part. Hey! Look at that! Oh my god, Jung-ho! Look at those arms, son. Yes. Come on. I love that their feet are just like adding to the beat and the rhythm of this. Gosh dang it, I didn't take any notes. Crap. Okay, well, bear with me. I just have to click back through the video and we'll talk about things as they come up. I want to talk about the two things I've already pointed out. So I mentioned that there's different like styles. Mostly I just mean in contrast between how hard hitting, like disgustingly hard hitting a lot of this is, versus the moments where it's so subtle or so smooth. Like there's three main parts of this choreography if you look at it thematically, in terms of movement style and movement patterns. So the first one is like all of the big stuff, like the ya 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 boot nadia jung jung, like all of that is humongous, so big, full body, gives you a heart attack while you're doing it, like it's so big. The other parts are the moments where they're highlighting one member and everyone else is just like hitting subtle beats in the back, or they're going down and like slowly melting up. So soft and subtle, but it's not soft in a way that like it's not hard hitting, because they hit really nice beats really fast and hard. It's just soft because to the eye it doesn't like take away from what they're doing. It's just a nice added touch in the background or in our peripheral. So we have the big movements, we have the soft, slow background movements, and then we have the really fluid movements with like arms and chest and like shoulders and things like that. Those are a little more few, far, and in between. They don't happen quite as much, but they are such a great way to transition out of the like dun 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 to like dun 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 dun, and like really just nice and slow. It just meshes the choreography, the movement together so well. There are so many moments in this where we have like really cool background choreography. I'm gonna go a little bit out of order, but it's when we get, like, you get Yoonho, and then you get Son, and then you get the group in the back as they move forward again. I think there's 6 of the, maybe that's not right, maybe it's 5 or 6 are in the back during that time, and the 2 lines are doing opposite choreography and going like back and forth, and it looks really nice. Let me try and find that part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they jump, do 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 do, and they do it side to side, and it's just such a cool visual that we don't even realize the dancers are running off stage at that point. They do a little bit of house in this section right after too. Let me play it I'll play it from Yoonho's part, so if you want to try and find this at home, maybe this will help. So we're starting at Yoonho's part. Da 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 na 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 na. Whoosh. Da 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 da. Jump, jump, center, center, dun 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 dun. That's all house. This is all house until they do this. That was all house. Very cool. So I talked about house in my thanks video. If you haven't checked that out, house is a movement that's very dependent on the beat of your feet. So your feet are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and your torso is doing half that beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, but this would be doing 1, 2, 3, 4. And they just did that, and they did another house section here. So I wonder if BB Trippin, who I believe choreographed this, if they have any of dancers or choreographers on their crew who are very like house centered, because now this is the second time that I'm really seeing it from Ateez. We're gonna go back sort of from the beginning. I don't know how he does it. Da 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 da. Like, look at how smooth this is. Dun dun dun. 1, 2. So I love how they break this up. So like the smooth movements are really nice, and then they come out of nowhere and pick back up with the beat. Like da na 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 Like we we don't really expect that it's coming because the slow parts are still part of the music, but then all of a sudden they're like, nah, here we go, like we're speeding it up, come with us on this adventure, and then they just go off. I love all of the slow parts to this though. Like for me, I have trouble deciding which part's my favorite, the chorus or like the group, like this part that's coming up next. Ooh, no. That reminds me of something else I was going to say, actually. In this dance, we get a lot of, like, shoulder moving and, like, head moving. And we also get a lot of, like, knee wiggling. Like, Ateez is definitely known for footwork and their, like, heel-toe connection to how their knees will propel their body up. So they'll do a ripple from the feet up. We see that in, I think it's either Win or Precious, possibly both, where they have such quick choreography with their feet. Holy crap. And this dance has that a little bit, but instead of focusing so heavily on the feet and like the footwork here, they're doing a lot of like shoulder and upper body torso. Like, gyrating is not the word I want to use, but it is the most appropriate I can think of at the moment. Like, there's just a lot of da-da-da, that kind of movement from the upper body that we don't see as much from Ateez. This definitely has insane footwork. The whole fast choreography or fast chorus section is just insane footwork. Like, if you just do the feet and not the arms, you would still be out of breath. If you just did the arms and not the feet, you would be out of breath. Like, that whole section is wild to me, and they do it so well. They do it so well that it took me watching the video here for me to realize that when they do the, it's not the Running Man, but it's like the reverse. What is that called? There's even a song about it. This is a song from like the early 2010s, even early 2000s. The reject. Oh my god, I got there. It's a hip-hop term, the reject, where you like skip backwards. And it wasn't until I watched the chorus, I thought that they just skipped backwards 3 times. I think they do it 1.5 and then jump. That's even harder. That's crazy. That's so crazy. Yeah, the way that they hit all these dun, 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 like, oh my gosh, do you understand how quick that is that I couldn't even clap it right the first time? That's so quick, and they hit every single beat before they go into a jumping section. Wild. They are wild. Crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna keep like fangirling over them, so I think that might be the end of this video. This song is still fire, as always. So happy to finally have watched the dance practice. We might be starting to just go into music videos with Ateez in the future, because I think I've done most of their dance practices right now that are available. I will go back and double check. If you know off the top of my head a dance practice I have missed, or even a performance video from the Ateez KQ channel, I would take that too. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!